Hello everyone, in today's video I will show you how to set up Proton VPN on Windows 11. But before we dive in, I want to mention that if you're looking for a faster, more secure and more versatile VPN, I personally recommend NordVPN. It offers top-tier security, over 6,000 servers in 111 countries and consistently better streaming access compared to many other VPNs. You can check the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price. First of all, open the Proton VPN page. Once you're on the Proton VPN sign-up page, click the Get VPN button, select the free version to get started. Proton VPN offers a free plan with unlimited bandwidth and advanced security features, though it does come with some limitations compared to premium options like NordVPN. After selecting the free plan, create a free account by entering your email address and setting a secure password. Verify your email address if prompted, and you'll be ready to download the Proton VPN app. Once your account is created, download the Proton VPN app for Windows by clicking the download button on the website. When the download is complete, open the installer file and follow the on-screen instructions to install the app on your Windows 11 device. The installation process is straightforward and takes only a few minutes. When installation is complete, open the Proton VPN app and log in with the email and password you used to create your account. Once logged in, you'll see the Proton VPN interface. To connect to a VPN server, simply click the Quick Connect button. This will automatically connect you to the fastest available server in one of the free regions, such as the United States, Japan, or the Netherlands. Your IP address will change and your connection will be secured. If you want to switch servers, click on the Change Server option. From here, you can choose another server within the free plan regions. Keep in mind that switching servers has a short cooldown period of about a minute and a half. Proton VPN includes features like Kill Switch to block internet if the VPN drops, NetShield to block ads and malware, and port forwarding for better connectivity in gaming or file sharing. While useful, these are restricted on the free plan and generally perform better with premium services like NordVPN, which delivers faster speeds, stronger protection, and more customization. While the free plan offers decent features, NordVPN takes it several steps further, offering consistently higher speeds, better streaming access, threat protection against malware and trackers, and a much larger selection of servers worldwide. If you're ready to get the most out of your VPN experience, you can find the link in the description to try NordVPN at a great price.